What's SMH doing? It's okay. IGV just going sideways at the highs. That's interesting.
What's up, guys?
What up, gang?
What's up, gang? I'm in Dell calls for a swing.
Dude. Getting a
Getting a Dell. Getting a Dell. And I'm getting those headphones that Jordan has on.
Oh, are you?
I want to stop using the AirPods. I want to get the over-the-ear headphones. I was looking at the Apple ones. I don't know which one do you have, but
Apple ones are nice.
which ones do you have?
These are just like a pair of studio headphones. They're called Bayer Dynamics.
Okay.
They're nice. It's like I could still hear everything outside and like what's going on around me because they're open ear, but they're really high quality at the same time. It sound really good. So
I was thinking about going up into the attic and getting out my old Xbox and my Turtle Beach X42
oh
headset.
my goodness, that would be awesome.
KC.
That'd be legit.
Oh, you got the Turtle Beaches!
Okay. I got them right here, brother.
Yes, sir.
These are like the something 700s, maybe. I can't remember
Yeah.
which ones.
Hell yeah. That's awesome.
Dude, I remember I loved these when I got them. They were so comfortable. You could just flip up the little microphone to like mute yourself, and then it connected to your phone too, so you could just like take phone call from your Turtle Beaches.
I had the X42s, and then those ones are the Stealth that you have.
Yeah, these like the Stealth 700 or something.
They look like the Stealths. Hell yeah, Turtle Beaches. Yeah. Are they called AirPods still? AirPods Max?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the Apple ones?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, Memorial Day sale right now. They're $100 off at Best Buy.
They're really good.
USB-C. Whoa, USB-C. What? Hold on. I gotta plug them in? Or is that just how they charge?
No, it's just how they charge. You don't have that.
Okay. I don't want them to be wired. I didn't go through the photos.
Mine are wired, but I have a really long wire. Like they're made for you to be able to like stand up and move around a studio. It's like 7 feet, 8 feet.
These do have a microphone on them, right? Bluetooth,
Lady Joe.
wireless, noise canceling, built-in microphone. Hell yeah. Well, it's a tax write-off for the business anyways. It's equipment. Right. Oh, the Astro A50s? Yeah, those were nice. I remember those too.
I'll be back in a second.
Ugh. Guess what name still looks like death? Google.
Googs.
Yeah. I am going to get the puts pulled up on it for that swing. Dude, no way Unusual Whales just tweeted that. We always joke that they're 2 hours late. They're legit exactly 2 hours late. Trump says the U.S. is in the final stages of negotiations with Iran. Dude.
Every time, bro. Every
Get
time.
out of here.
Every time. Without fail. I think they know what they're doing at this point and they just feed into it.
Like, what's the purpose of waiting 2 hours every time?
Because people know them as that. So now it's play into it.
They
Why
know
not?
us for our failure. So we just accept it. We don't fix it. I mean, that's kind of what I'm getting from them right now.
Yeah. Pretty much. Can't argue with that.
Yeah.
That's funny.
All right, let's see. Googly wooglies.
What time? We got the minutes coming out in 50 minutes.
Oh yeah, forgot about that.
FOMC minutes. I guess maybe the 335s for July. That's on Google, but let me check Google.
I still think this could be a long today. Wow, CLSK, this chart just keeps getting better.
Dude, like
Hear it.
that daily was a beautiful. There was so many setups yesterday. Like on the daily that we retested and ripped off of.
God, Dell looks pretty good.
Yeah, Dell has a daily reversal. What was the other one we were talking about this morning with Dell? Oh, I'm drawing a blank. Oh, Lamb Research.
LabVIEW? Oh, LRCX?
LRCX. Had a nice little
Airbnb
undercut
off the
and
200
reclaim.
day?
I like that. I like the
You just
Airbnb.
I think you can just keep trading it off of 130 back to
When I
140, 145 every time.
I have two zones. I have one that starts at 120, one at 140, and a midpoint line right across at 129.68. That's your FIFA.
Get your World Cup play, dude. Everything down here is World Cup stuff all over it. I don't know if that's happening in the U.S. right now too, but like, dude, my body wash has a FIFA trophy on the front.
Nice.
Like, dude, they have like you buy Coca-Cola, you buy anything at the store. It's literally all World Cup branded. I want to give this example again because we've talked about this a lot lately. CrowdStrike. One, look at this crazy move on CrowdStrike. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on.
Oh, it was a long imp.
What did we get?
It's because Unusual Whales tweeted 2 hours late the same headline, so it's causing volatility.
What's the headline? What's the headline? I don't want to buy it.
Iran's foreign ministry spokesperson says seeking to establish with Oman and in coordination with specialized international bodies a mechanism to ensure sustainable security in the Strait of Hormuz. It's the only thing that came out in the last 60 seconds. That was from Walter Bloomberg. I'm still refreshing.
Iran is. Oh yeah. Iran is ready to work with coastal traffic or something.
Come on, Bloomberg. Financial Jews. Post the next thing. What is it? No, Financial Juice just posted the same thing from Bloomberg.
Just short oil again.
Did Jordan tell you about the giveaway? We're doing a giveaway.
Oh.
So I'm going to need your expertise on your little thingy-majigga. Is there a wheel that you can spin with people's names on it?
I don't think so on Nightbot.
Not that you manually have to do. Like if it could track all the people's names in the comments, that would like put it on there.
I think the Brady, I hear you in one ear, not the other.
There we go.
There he is.
I was saying whoever said blue light glasses don't work, totally false. So I had to put mine on just for that.
I agree. The amount of headaches that I had before I started wearing these glasses.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I haven't had a headache sitting at my desk in a long time. They clean my lenses. My lens is dirty AF. It is not a $25K or $25 account giveaway. This will be a 3-part kind of thing, but it's either a cash giveaway or it's a free month access to the Discord giveaway. And then
All right, I'll take my first trim on CL right here. 30 points into this volume shelf.
Nice.
Microsoft.
Come on, CL, rug it. Rug it.
Microsoft new high. Nice push after the buy signals. Ooh. Coming up to 420.69. Hey yo.
Come on, CL. New low of day. Boom. Boom. I'm trimming CL.
Well done.
Crude. Dude, I'm just sniping crude today. This is beautiful.
Oil.
I love trading oil.
Dude, it's great.
What about people who say you're only interested in the Middle East for oil?
What? Huh? Oil? Who said something about oil, bitch? You cooking? Oh. Yeah, come on, y'all get out
A little comic relief.
Apple, NVIDIA curling up.
20s.
I just don't know if they can push. I want to see it go back to 350, but this 290 is a huge point of control for the last like 10 days. $15-minute looks fine. 5-minute. Back over the EMAs. They're starting to curl.
Perfection.
QQQ can get back to that NFP level right here.
Oh yeah.
At least.
Oh yeah. All right.
Trump's putting out true social graphics of the White House UFC event.
You got bugs flying in your mouth when you're trying to fight.
It's going to be really interesting to watch a UFC fight on the White House lawn.
That's pretty gnarly. I wish I could be there for it.
Almost sounds like we're going back to Rome, like the Colosseum type of stuff. It's like, yeah, bring them to the Capitol and let them just fight to the death. Yeah, NQ just doesn't want to get through this point of control here. This is like if I go to like a Airwell hide drawings. If I zoom out on NQ, here's like the hourly. You see this right here, 287, 289. Just the biggest point of control for where we've been. I mean, this has been a while.
Send the live stream link in Discord. That way people can get over to the Wolf Trading channel.
Google's weak, Apple strong, Microsoft new high of day. It's getting sell signal almost. Amazon Meta doing nothing. Broadcom's fading. Tesla's still strong at the highs.
All right, if you're in the Discord, in the announcement channel, that is the link to the Wolf Trading YouTube channel or the live stream. Make sure you go over there.
God, yeah, Google hadn't done anything.
I'm watching that weekly after that flow that came in this morning on it.
I'm gonna have to do some push-ups here in a minute. Slow market. You always give something around. You give stuff away though. That's always fun.
Hell yeah. We mentioned this morning on Spaces, your cruise lines and airlines were ripping, and they are still continuing. Some more calls just came in on UAL. $100 calls for 5/29/2026. Sizable sweep of 1.1 million just came in.
Casey, did you get any longs this morning?
Yeah. I was screaming long. And then I closed at 11:15 a.m. Eastern when SPY hit my magnet. I put a level on there at 740, and then I have a zone above at 740.58 to 741. Put the magnet on there. Went long at 10:15.
Let the magnet work.
And let the magnet work for an hour until 11:15. Then sold it. You had an hourly squeeze that did a back test at 10:10. We were on live stream. I was like, bro, huge volumes pouring in right now. And SPY and Q started to get a candle. And without hesitation, I pulled up the option chain and slapped the ass.
Yeah,
and,
just slapped it.
Uh-huh.
Rizzo was just adding and adding to SPX, and then he made like $500,000. It was crazy.
All right, ES starting to push a little bit.
Yeah. All right.
VIX is falling.
Let's go somewhere.
By 28.
There you go. Mr. Hawkins decided to participate. I like that one day when I was like, let's go, Steven. And then Casey's like, what?
That was funny.
Like, oh, we learned that Casey's name's Steven. Not Mr. Hawkins.
Hey, it's Steve. Look, ES looks great. Let's go.
Oh, he started ripping.
Let's go.
Look at ES pumping it. can
I
see
think a
the
SPY just
320.
continues to hold above 738 on your 1 and 4 hour. Just continue to cruise on up to 743.50. And then after that, if it starts pushing up higher, you do have gap fill over 745. I don't think majority of any of that's gonna happen during active trading hours, depending on how NVIDIA earnings go. But
All right, let's
quick
see if
pop.
this buyer comes back at the 321 area. We had a pretty big buyer on the tape earlier in the day, like right around that zone 320, 324.
There's some little liquidity bands popping up above us. 320, 325, 330, 350.
Mm-hmm. They look like tiger stripe.
Yeah, let's go get that bangle. Cincinnati bangle. What time is it?
When DC.
Oh, there we go.
130,
Come on,
sir.
rug oil, rug.
Shit, boy.
All right, come on. Get in those
You already
20s.
know, boy.
Get in them 20s.
Shit, partner.
What's she talking about, partner? All right, Q's. Gonna pick up
What
some
we get to three.
steam.
Oh shit, we're about to hit the NFP.
Look at those buyers in the 320s. They're there. Just go get them.
There's 40 lots sitting there. That one guy all morning filled a ton at 321.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm trying to say. Go get them.
Come on, QQQ. Just go tag that NFP. Oh, that guy left.
Mm-hmm. Or he just moved. Zoom out a little bit. Oh yeah, dude, we're getting through this, no problem. Get up there.
Dell briefly new high day. I think Tesla as well.
Microsoft's trying to help out.
Nah, Tesla missed by a few pennies. Dell got it by a few pennies. Amp, what are our options again for doing giveaways? What can we do?
Random number or random keyword.
Let's do keyword. I like that one. Keyword's fun.
What
Baseball related.
what word do you want?
Oh man. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Dude, how many people have trouble with that one?
There's gonna be one winner because they're the only person that spelled it right.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. That's the only lyrics I remember.
I put my recommendation in the chat.
Baseball.
What would that be in Spanish?
Well, no, baseball related. Like the key word has to be baseball related. And then I put my key word right underneath.
Expialidocio.
Well, I guess if you're not a baseball fan, you wouldn't know. So
And what you just said balls.
I know.
Here's what, I don't want to watch 400 people
Just
type balls in chat.
I don't know.
why don't you put it like something like New York related?
simple and easy.
I like themed,
Themed.
like a category you have to go around.
Like what? Like stepmothers or school teacher or what theme?
Categories are you talking about, sir?
That's why I'm asking you.
Go, pump
We're
it.
popping.
Pop. Axios. New
Little
Iran
poppy,
peace
poppy.
proposal has been discussed between Netanyahu and Trump. For Axios.
Not surprising.
I don't know how to spell Netanyahu. Also, I headlined they had a tense call.
Net and Yahoo.
Yahoo!
Yeah.
What a throwback.
Yo.
We're gonna get a new high a day? Or what?
Yeah, I mean it looks that way, dude. I mean look at NQ within 10 minute, kind of came right down to the 21, ride it. We didn't close underneath the 21 at all, and then just shot back up, right, using the 9 EMA. It's as simple as that.
Tessie 415. New high. Microsoft calls still coming in. 420s now. For urgent repeated flow on 0 DTEs. What?
Microsoft
This late in the
really
day?
Oh,
Super
Casey.
capacitive.
Tesla.
Microsoft 420
Tesla.
just breached.
They were like, oh no, it lost 400.
oh.
It's going to 200.
Yeah.
I know the keyword.
man.
It could be a ticker. So we just pick a ticker,
Oh,
and then the chat
we're
has
only
to
do-
go.
we're-
yeah,
We're only doing the giveaway because INTC Intel
Oh, there you go.
hit my target. So
I like that. Just
All right,
we can't use INTC as the giveaway.
yeah.
All right.
Or
Sounds
even
good to
better,
me.
use a leverage shares one. So your favorite leverage shares ETF.
Well,
Throw in the
shout out to leverage
sponsorship.
shares.
Shout out leverage shares.
Can't say
Yeah.
I'm
Oh
not a
do
yeah,
guy.
that's what I did. Straight a
Do
little
the-
2x leverage Tesla.
yeah. Do the word. Just do INTC, and then let it randomly pick.
Can we pop up to 370? Can you get up there?
Not yet, guys. Oh Jesus! Here they go, Imp.
Hold your
Here they go.
horses.
Not yet.
Wow, look at Microsoft 420.
I just watching it happen.
We haven't started yet. Hold on.
They're just gonna spam you now at this point.
Dude, look at Microsoft, the zero DTE gamblers. Look at that. They're popping it.
Do you have 420 strikes?
I don't, but that's the flow that's coming in. Let me tell you what price they were buying them at. Let's see. These degenerates were it's not loading. I gotta refresh the screen. Jesus.
Should I just change it from INTC to something else now?
Whoa.
Why is it not pulling up? This is stupid. It literally won't let me pull up any flow on Microsoft right now. All right, let me just go on the app. I'll tell you from there. Maybe.
I'm on 320s again. I need to make some food.
They started buying these at $1. I mean, there's a
Wow.
few that came in right before it at 85 on the ask. Then they really started hitting above the ask at $1, $1, $1.10, and 99. I don't know what they're at right now.
That was my next question.
I mean, 1 5-minute green candle, they might be up a little bit. Let me see.
250 maybe?
Yeah, majority of them came in around $1. They just hit $1.30, so they're up 30%.
All right.
Quick 5-minute candle on those 0 days. Hims just got some volume too. Unrelated. FCEL just hit $20.
All right, where's the gain train? I need to hear it. We need to get up to those 370s.
All right. All right, Amp, you ready?
Yeah, what order are we doing?
INTC.
All right, I'm ready.
Whenever Amp says go, you guys can type it in the YouTube chat.
INTC. Type it in. Type in INTC to be entered to win. What are you? I don't even know what you're giving away.
You get more entries if you
billion.
keep keep typing it. You get more entries. That helps. All of a sudden, Restream just crashes. We are. You got two options. You can pick and choose. Whoever wins, hopefully you're on X, and I'll be able to DM you from there. But either get 1 month free access over in the Casey Trades Premium Discord and or cash giveaway. Do
Cash money?
cash money.
You're giving away Cash Patel?
straight from Casey Trades.
Young money, cash money.
So you can pick whichever one you'd like. Either a free month in the premium Discord, come hang out with us, learn, trade, make money, probably more than $50. Or you can take $50. Completely up to you.
Over 100 people entered so far. Make sure you use all caps, by the way. It's INTC all caps is what I did.
All caps.
It's a ticker. I don't know if you type in. Actually, I shouldn't even tell you that. If it's a ticker, you're not typing all caps. So
That's true.
I can't even keep up with the freaking chat right now.
INTC.
My restream is frozen.
Mine's going. I see everything coming in.
It's frozen just on INTC.
Shout out to Leverage Shares, by the way. Sponsor of this live free stream all day, every day.
Ooh.
Also, make sure you're caught up to live. That's why I'm giving this another few minutes.
Dude. Microsoft.
Yeah, it's taken off.
Those gamblers are getting paid. They're at 185 now on the contracts from $1. They were just at 130. Now they just went to 185.
Well, here's the thing. That 420 break is a huge break. Like a huge break.
Well, yeah, look at yesterday.
And
On
it's
Microsoft,
confirming
like-
it's kind of like cup and handle.
Yeah, the delta
4 hour
on
cup
them
and
now.
handle.
The delta on those just jumped. Now they're up at what? 63. And they're in the money.
Can you take NQ and ES with you? All right, we got 120 people that have correctly typed in INTC,
That have
which means there's about 40 of you that. All right, you guys got about. I know some people maybe joined, they weren't caught up to live, so make sure you're caught up to live. Can you imagine watching this right now and you're not caught up to live and you just see everyone type in INTC?
I just saw the word balls come across and then disappear.
There you go.
Who was
All
it?
right, Qs are looking strong.
Oh, of course. Those NYG.
Who else? Surprised it wasn't Boris, honestly. Yeah, leverageshares.com. Check it out. 2x leverage tickers have been going crazy, especially the last month or so, month and a half. Shout out to them. Shout out to Code Wolf, your favorite prop firm. Best discount out there. Shout out to KC Trades 777. Why did you use 777? I don't think I've ever asked you that.
777. As many people know, it is a lucky number, right? And then people thought it was trading related and gambling related, like casino 777 on the
That's where
slot.
my brain goes, just like lucky.
That's what everyone thought.
Slot machine,
I actually got lucky. Honestly, I did. Just right person in the right line at that right time of day. When I got sworn into law enforcement for the first time, that was my badge number. My state identification number for getting into law enforcement was 777.
Oh, really?
Which was, yeah, I mean, it was a one in a freaking, I don't even know how many freaking, overall employees and people end up getting hired, all the time for it. But yeah, whenever I first got into law enforcement and they gave me my badge number and identification number and everything, it was 777. So that's where it comes from.
That's awesome.
All right, how much time do we want to give them here? We've got 133 people that have correctly entered the giveaway.
We're good. You can go ahead and close it up in 10 seconds. And they've had long enough. And whoever wins, make sure you are following me on X. Otherwise, I will not be able to DM you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 142 eligible winners for this. Need a drum roll or something.
Soundboard.
Stop typing in the chat.
It's done.
All right. Somebody count me down. I'm going to click choose a winner.
In 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dr. Cameron.
Hey, Dr. Cameron. Let's go.
Dr. Cameron. New
There it is,
winner.
Nightbot. Let's go, Dr. Cameron.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Let's go. Where you at, Dr. Cameron?
Let's see if I can find you on X.
Dr. Cameron, put your username on X in the chat. He's not a real doctor. Pick the next one. Doctor. Oh.
Paging Dr. Cameron. Dr. Cameron. Code blue, floor 3. Dr. Cameron, please put your X name in the YouTube chat. We're gonna have a problem here. Y'all act like I've never seen a white person before.
That's awesome.
We'll give him a few minutes, and then I'm not sure if Imp can.
I mean, he
have
could
it
be on
pick
call
a
right now.
different. Yeah. I mean, maybe he's in the ER. You know.
No.
Unacceptable.
Dr. Cameron, put your X name in the chat.
Do it now.
Is that Jordan talking?
Ouch! Damn, that was rough. Taking shots at Big J over there.
It is
like
my
him-
natural voice.
Him's
there
got
it
that
is.
volume pop, and then it ripped. I don't know. Kept going. High on its own supply.
That's trading during surgery.
Me and Claude are having like a deep conversation right now, dude. It's gnarly. I'm fucking. It's asking me so many questions, and I'm just because I want it to learn more and like know more about me. So I'm programming this motherfucker basically. It's crazy.
And can you have it pick another person? Or do they have to go through the whole thing and type again?
I can re-roll the winner.
Oh, nice.
Dr. Cameron, you're about to lose. It's been 3 minutes.
No, not exactly, Boris. I'm asking it what questions it would want to know about me and like stuff we're doing in the business. Because I want it to know more. And so I'm giving it answers. I'm just giving it facts basically. So it like is understanding more of what we're trying to do. If that makes sense.
Dr. Cameron, you have 1 minute, 13 seconds until I re-roll a new winner.
Bruh.
Yeah, guys, I'm in love with the AI. Yeah, guys, chat's going nuts.
I do it all the time though. Like when I'm putting the kids to bed, and then Everly has me hang out in her room until she falls asleep, and I gotta sneak out. If I get into deep thought and I'm like genuinely curious about something, I'll go have a conversation with AI and just dig deep and just get more information about whatever it is. I don't know. That's on my mind. Like, if I wanted to do this and I have this, what are the best
Explain to me
ways
quantum
to go about it?
entanglement.
Yeah, and just get in on a deep conversation and learn.
You got 10 seconds, Dr. Cameron.
Bro, just spin it again.
It's such a doctor making us wait. All right, 5 minutes has gone by. We have not got a response, so let's roll it again. New winner
Roll it
coming
again.
up. Something good will happen today. Hey, you spoke this into existence. Something good will happen today.
Oh shit!
Winner!
I was.
Oh no,
I was like,
Dr. Cameron, no!
You can't make that
and
up.
said no.
Are you kidding me, Dr. Cameron? What are you doing?
He said, "Oh no, Dr. Cameron."
I'm paging at you for 5 minutes and then he's here.
We've been paging you.
He said I was with a patient.
No,
Dr. Cameron,
really?
he flatlined.
No fucking way, dude.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Hold on.
All right, you both are winners. There's Dr.
All right.
Cameron.
Something good will happen today. Please put your @ in the chat.
We'll do 2 winners. 2 winners.
We're doing 2 winners then. Okay.
2 winners.
2 double kill. Something good will happen today. Please put your X @ in the chat. Paging doctor. Never mind.
You too, Doc. Put your X username in the chat.
That's a
Make
great
sure you're
move.
following.
Dr. Cameron, you look at. Shout out to KC just saying, "Hey, we're gonna do 2 winners today."
Yeah.
Shout out Casey.
Pro chat was going crazy.
That was like impeccable timing. Like,
Dude, no, I don't know if you realize it said like if you scroll back, it said like Nightbot winner, and then it was something
right
with-
after it, he said hi.
something with Boris. I look down like 2 comments later, I see Dr. Cameron just say hi, HI.
Oh, that was like perfect timing.
There's one for you, KC.
Perfect. All right. Make sure you're following me as well again. That way I can message you.
Dr. Cameron, we need your @ in the chat.
You got 5 minutes.
You really do, yeah.
No more patience.
No second. No. You got a second chance. So you don't get a third.
No more open heart surgeries.
I am flat across the board again here, by the way. Actually, let me make sure I canceled all my orders. That would be a bad thing to find out. Paging doctor.
Dr. Cameron. Last call, Dr. Cameron. Hope your patient's doing okay. What if he's like a dentist? He's not even a real doctor.
What if he's a chiropractor?
Oh, even worse.
Vet.
He's like Alan from 2.5 Men.
Not even a real doctor, huh? Dr. Cameron, I need your @ I need to know what kind of doctor you are. Oh, we got
the minutes coming out in a second, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, like 1 minute.
All right, thoughts on draft. Asher, I just messaged you. Oh, shout out to Thoughts in Draft, who is already a lifetime member of the Casey Trade Discord community and is going to claim the cash today. Let's go. Look at that.
All right, family medicine. Okay, that's respectable, Dr. Cameron. Now, do you know what your X name is? Because that's what we really need to get a hold of you, Doctor.
Oh shit, that's hilarious. Dude.
The dude does not want the giveaway.
Dr. Cameron. Give a call on line 3. It's the margin desk.
Oh shit.
Minutes.
Got a 15-minute cell signal just came in.
Several officials saw rate cuts as appropriate ahead. Several thought hikes would be needed if inflation persists. Rate pause will extend longer than previously thought. There you go.
Just buy this fucker up.
I hope so. I still want to see a new high of day. 15-minute printed sell signal. It's a potential evening star right there. It's a little bit of a bottom wick on the previous 15-minute. It's only on SPY, nothing else. So you don't really have like extra confluence across everything else.
Only problem I have is QQQ is right into the NFP here, so I don't want to fight it long.
Dell popping.
Did he put his ad in here? Because I had to do that little minute sync.
Bro, if not, we tried twice. We'll just have the one winner like it was before. I just got alert on Dell.
Right, bro, imagine his patient's like going through an actual crisis right now. He's having to like talk to the family, like deliver bad news, and we're over here like,
Okay,
dude, hurry
sweet.
up, man. Trying to give you some All right, now what? Nothing till NVIDIA?
Dude, what is going on with him? The hell? Yeah, that freaking drop on VIX, it went like all the way down to like 17.3.
About the rocket?
Shit, I hope so.
It's weird. Internals are selling right into this NFP though. Oh. Dr. Cameron's out there like, hey, do you want the good news or the bad news first?
Bad news is I lost this giveaway.
The bad news is you have colon cancer, but the good news is I just won a giveaway on the YouTube channel.
His like pockets going crazy because we're just saying Dr. Cameron. Oh, you hear that in his pocket? I'm trying to save some lives out here, sir.
Dr. Cameron, don't make me give it away again.
Give it away now.
Oh, Dr. Cameron. Nurse, have you seen Dr. Cameron?
Oh, we're not selecting another one. It's Dr. Cameron or nobody now.
Oh, who said you were the only one giving stuff away today?
Hey, you know what? Fuck it. Get his
No,
patient's information. I'll give it to his patient.
Yeah, let's do that.
That's a HIPAA violation.
Give you a HIPAA violation.
All right, is it gonna do it? We're right here at the 320 area.
Oh, boom! Newton on the market. 5
Let's-
gifted memberships. Big shout out
Let's
to our man
go.
Newton on the market. Wolfpack member, Wolfpack OG. Look who won too. Some of the King's Faces won, Rambler
I'll say-
won, Frazzy won, Ticker Tap. Oh, dude, OGs, the straight up OGs.
I was gonna say
Wolfpack.
all the people that won, like hell yeah.
They're here. They're here. Those are people that are here every day. I gotta get some more emojis uploaded in there. Have more fun. Jordan,
Yeah.
I'm gonna give away. I'm gonna give away the Lucid account.
Let's go.
Just Casey inspired me. Dr. Cameron
I
pissed
love
me
it.
off. So
I love
we're
it.
gonna,
Let's do it.
we're gonna give away. Can you tweet it out on the Wolf Trading?
Yes.
10 minutes, guys. In 10 minutes, we're going to give away a 25K Lucid free Lucid Pro account.
Oh, the bot just scalped that long for 25 points.
Psych, it's right now. Type numbers. Go. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
Oh my gosh, chat's gonna rip for a second. Watch.
To find out who's caught up to live and who's not.
Bullish.
I agree. That sound, that freight train, yeah.
Dude, I was trying to
That's-
find a good one this morning to like.
That's
Put
all
down
I
there.
needed to hear to go on. I don't need nothing else.
George, you gonna
Live
tweet it
streaming,
out?
I hear a train. Shoot. Ah.
Let me know when you tweet it out. I'm going to share it too, Jordan.
All right, boys and girls. I do have to leave.
All right, it's
I gotta
on the
jump
timeline.
off.
Bet.
I hope
right,
you
Casey.
guys
Love you,
have
brother.
a great rest of your day. Love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow for Thirsty Thursday.
Sounds good.
Take care.
All right.
Later.
Shout out to KC Trade 777. You copper. Big reminder, Lucid, use code WOLF for the best discount. I think they have 50% off of all accounts, limit 2 per trader. This is at Lucid, 50% off.
Do we have
And
those
we're
graphics, by the way? Whatever
There's a
those would
graphic.
be.
Um,
Do you have one?
that's actually where I just saw it. It's weird because it says like get through a long time from now. Oh, boom! Past the Lucid Eval.
There you go.
Oh, I'm not gonna push it, Frank. I don't think I really want to do much here. Book's getting pretty light. All right, over 400 people on here. Must be in the Wolf Trading YouTube channel to participate in the giveaway. 25% Lucid Pro account free. Hourly looks pretty good, Frank.
Yeah, I bought them on that splash down. I had an order in there, so I sold half. I'm gonna stop it at like, I don't know. It could swing down again, or it could stop. The 9, right above the 9. You know what? I'm out. This is not going anywhere right now.
Yeah, I don't think
There's no reason for anything.
it's probably just rotational here. I mean, it's floating higher, but shorts are offsides from the last couple days if they panicked yesterday. Yeah, we all got flat. Now we know what happens. Gotta put that on my to-do list, Jordan. We gotta get some funny emojis or something in here.
Yeah.
Three minutes. Make sure you're caught up to live. You want me to go grab some food? I am about to go grab something to drink. I'm thirsty. And then when I come back and do the giveaway. All right. How many points of range do we have today, Jordan? 596. 598. God.
Yeah, dude, that volatility past few days has been ridiculous. Really got to watch your sizing or else it's gnarly.
All right. We're 400 people in here. Only 77 likes, guys. Drop a like on that stream. Let's get that number up to 100 and let's do this giveaway.
Yes, sir.
All right. Hold on. Sneeze. All right, guys. Make sure you click live. I think Rooster is just like Boris, but can actually trade a little bit. Boris is like a better troll, but Rooster's like if Boris had a brother that could actually trade. All right, let's do the giveaway. We have 598 points of range today on NQ, so type a number between 1 and 598. Go. 598. 1 to 598. Type in the number. Whoever hits the number exactly will win a Lucid Pro 25K eval courtesy of Wolf Trading. One to 598. Ooh, somebody got really close. Two people really, really close. Here, I'll tell you. Oh God. Oh, there's like 5 of you all close now. It's moving too fast. I can't keep up. Keep going. Nobody's gotten it. Somebody typed in 727. What are we doing, guys? It's 1 to 598. 598. 700 guesses. Nobody's gotten it yet.
Oh, come on.
Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4 people that just guessed are really close. Landon, you are really close. Sunshine, you are close. Doughboy, you are close. Landon, you're still close. Landon's going to get it. He's right on it. Mariah, you're close. Tariq, you're close. Oh my God, everyone's close. Oh, it's like hot and cold game. Tariq. 592 was the winner. I cannot even see my restream. You guys crashed my stream. Tariq, bang. Let's go, Tariq. Drop me your X username, please. Tariq, big shout out. W's in the chat. 592 was the winner. Nightbot does this all. I don't select it. I don't select the number. I don't select the winner. It's all automated. Make sure you're following me too. 25K Lucid Pro account is going to Tariq. I can't even get back to my restream to see anything here. I don't even know if we're still live, to be 100% honest. I can't see anything.
We are. We're good.
Tariq, I need your... I need your X username so I can DM you. The code 25K free account. I see you. Got it. Boom. There you are, sir. All right, I'm gonna have to hit refresh on this. This may crash the stream for a second or two, so just bear with me, but I can't. I have a blank screen over here. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. There he is.
Yeah.
He's back.
Guess who's back?
It's still frozen, but at least I can see it.
Yeah, that was a good out.
Didn't we have an evil Tariq? Yeah, that was a different one. That was the evil one. This is the good one. This is good Tariq. Evil Tariq disappeared. Thank God. Yeah, Frank, you see the NFP up here on QQQ?
Yeah. I mean, we could go through. We're through it in ES and SPY, so are we through?
Yeah,
in
but
SPY?
see, yeah. But we went through it. SPY's is a lot smaller, but SPY is consolidating like well above it. QQQ, yeah, held that lower side, got under it, reclaimed it, has made its way back up here. There's a ton of traffic here, though. You look left, you put a volume profile on. This is for the last week. This is where all the action's been. Point of control 289. What do you mean? Are we thinking hawkish, dovish, or neutral for what? For Kevin Warsh? Let's go, Dallas, Texas. Oh, Cliff.
Oh my God. That whole time I was typing to club.
I don't know what you were doing
The whole time.
to be honest. But I'm with it.
It knows you through and throughout.
I'm gonna make this thing a fucking super machine. Jarvis.
You named it Jarvis?
Jarvis. No, I don't know if you've seen the Instagram videos, but there's these guys that have built like Jarvis into their AI basically. And they literally get to their desk and they're like, Jarvis, like, what has been happening over the night? I think it's a platform you can download or something. I need it badly. I also need more food. I ate earlier, but I'm hungry again. Taco Bell. I'm getting Taco Bell.
Yo
It's
quiero
happening.
Taco Bell. The little chihuahua. Let's see what your oil futures are about to settle.
I-40.
Yeah, I don't know. A lot of people may not remember the Chihuahua. Yeah, can you imagine just Jordan and Claude just eating kimchi together on a beach walk? Oh no. Jordy lost all drive for the tortas. Damn it.
All the drive is gone at the moment.
Jesse, the Fed minutes came out 26 minutes ago. Yo quiero Taco Bell. Well, look, the Fed minutes, whenever they're like going from rate hikes to cuts or cuts to hikes, like I think it's more important to see what the messaging was. But this isn't 2024. If you are going to try to trade NVIDIA earnings, options sellers probably win, but it's coin flip. They price it in around 5 to 6% implied move right now. I've seen 5.2 up to 6 different metrics. MVDG, 2x leverage long NVIDIA from Leverage Shares. Please do your own due diligence. Go to leverageshares.com if you want to read more. Shout out to them, title sponsors of our show. But MVDG, 2x leverage ticker. You can buy this now. You can buy it after the earnings announcement. You can sell it tonight. You can sell it in pre-market. Not financial advice, of course, but how many times have you seen an earnings reaction go flying up and then give it all back the next morning before you even open? Thoughts on trade ideas and TrendSpider? I think TrendSpider is actually pretty cool. I use TradingView because 90% of people use TradingView. I've played around with TrendSpider a few times. I actually liked it. I thought it was pretty interesting.
It's very smooth. It's a very smooth platform. It's like high quality platform for sure.
Bro, Rooster.
I just don't like it, but
just when I think Rooster is like a half smart individual, he just figures out why we're topping today. Dude, what?
Bruh.
What time is NVIDIA supposed to report? I do have to leave to go help cover that as soon as the stream, or as soon as the bell rings. Last quarter, it came out at 431. It's expected at 420. That's NVIDIA earnings. Nice little buy reaction off the outer VWAP band. Trendy day still holding. Oil trending down. We're kind of just stuck in a range here, but here's your NFP once more. Rooster's a cuck.
One of the most underutilized words. Probably for a good reason.
Hey, the good news is Evan is supposedly gonna make it back to his hotel room in time to host.
Let's go.
I also love the word jabroni.
Jabroni. Is that a Kendrick Lamar thing? He's the only person I've heard say jabroni in the last
Dwayne
like,
Johnson
15 years.
Oh, okay, with the last 15 years, but yeah, The Rock.
That's fair.
He called people jabronis.
Boris, Evan is at the Google event. Big dog.
Big doggy dog. Woof woof. Is this gonna push through these darn 320s? Like it can't get through them. It just can't.
This is the NFP. That's what I've been saying.
The NFP.
Right here on QQQ. Right here.
Push it. Just get through it.
We've legit been since 11:15
doing nothing.
3 hours we've been inside of this like one candle. When the second headline about I guess Trump or something, we've been basically inside of this candle for 3 hours. I don't know. You wonder if they start buying NVIDIA into earnings a little bit, or if people just de-risk. It seems like they've already de-risked the last few days. KMI. What is KMI? Oh yeah, Kinder Morgan. Yeah, Kinder Morgan. I mean, the problem is some of these like charts, they look good. They're long-term breakouts, but they're very tied to the oil trade.
I-49.
All right, Hawkins.
Hey, Jordan,
Yes.
Cell 36.
do you know what country's next to Sweden?
I-25.
No.
Sweden has two neighbors. One to the east, one to the west.
I-36.
Fuck. I'm not that geographically educated.
Oh, you don't know the Scandinavian countries? What's wrong with you?
Not really, no.
It's where
like
people
not
are
off the
from.
top of my dome at the moment, no.
What about the middle of the dome?
Well, on one
That's a
side
good
of
question.
Hey, gotcha.
on one
Maybe just
one
pick it from right there.
Oh yeah. Well, maybe that was a problem all along. Why'd you go into the top? Like you
Shut
got
the fuck up.
you got Norway on one side, and then on the other side you got Zinland.
Zinland! Soup! I need to get some more.
I was gonna say Norway. Norway.
Nar.
Yes, Norway.
Nor.
Even though they don't talk like that, just
No.
sounds
They
funny.
don't, but it is funny.
Come on, just push through these 20s for the love.
If anything, this is in the territory of it like pops above and falls back under.
Just push it. Just pop it. Push it.
Twist it,
Pull it.
flick it, bop it.
Now pass it to a friend. Come on, get through those darn 20s. Oh, my back is hurt.
I-46. I-26.
Go ahead, Hawkins.
Ooh, poppy, poppy.
What'd I tell you? Get through those 20s, man. Gotta get through those 20s.
Did you know the Vatican? I did know the Vatican's its own country.
Is it really? The Vatican?
Yeah.
Vatican
Yeah.
City.
Vatican
It's got
City
its
is
own
its own
laws.
country?
It's its own sovereign state country inside of its entire boundaries
Wow.
are obviously in the middle of Rome.
I did not know that.
That's why it's linked to
Yeah,
UFOs.
it is a sovereign state, aka its own country.
With zero military.
I did not know that.
Because it's got God on its hand, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. That is the military.
Mhm.
Oh, I'll be back.
I'll be back.
Wait, come back. I have another trivia question.
Ask me. Ooh, ask
All right,
me.
I'll-
Ask me a trivia.
Okay, I'll ask you. Do you know who the largest landowner in the world is?
McDonald's.
No, good guess. Anybody in the chat have a guess? Largest landowner in the world.
Monsanto?
McDonald's is a good guess.
I thought it was. Or actually, they own all the land underneath. I knew this question.
China is kind of a interesting answer, but that's not the. It's just like a country. Boom. We have a winner.
What
Carl
is it?
Keller knew.
I'm not looking at the chat.
The Catholic Church owns more property worldwide than any other entity. It's a debated figure, but 177 million acres, I think, of land. He said W Catholics. shout out to the Catholics, I guess.
Shout out priests. Shout out Archbishop Spalding.
Shout out to the Pope and his white Nikes. Sending you the penny, did you just add right back into your short there at that halfback? Is Trump talking again? I just got a Trump quote in my ear that Cuba's a failing nation. I don't know where he's talking. I don't see him live on any of the official accounts. Wow. Raul Castro. There's a warrant for his arrest. We expect that he will show up here by his own one way or another. U.S. announces charges against former Cuban President Raul Castro over 1996 shoot-down of an exile group's planes. 30 years later, we're like, hey, let's go arrest this guy. Trump says we have Cuba on our minds. What does that mean?
Means go eat.
Wake up in the morning, I got Cuba on my mind. I ain't get to roll no weed. Get to roll no swishes. I was locked up on Christmas. Yeah, I see NVIDIA just broke through VWAP.
It's bleeding.
Well, profiting Apple's about to make a new high of day. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't know. Not much on the chart looks like a short right now. I don't know if Trump is live on I don't know where Trump is live. Oh yeah. I never get tired.
People being killed by waiting a couple of days. I think it's a great thing to do.
Stephen Colbert's last
This is a
show
big sell.
tomorrow night. What's your message to him, the late night host Stephen Colbert? It's his last show after.
Yes, Cindy, I knew you were gonna hit that.
I'll have a message at a later date. Okay.
Did the U.S. offer Iran
Not doing any relief until a deal is reached.
sanctions relief during the peace talks, as Iranian state media has reported?
No, I haven't heard that. I'm not doing any relief until they sign an agreement. When they sign an agreement, we can get that place built up again and have something that's really a good country for the people.
Ugly
But
victim.
no, we haven't
This
offered
happened
it.
here. Never closed above.
Families who are scared by the rise of AI, they're worried that their kids are not going to be able to have jobs someday because AI
No,
will
I tell
take
you,
over.
AI's been amazing because right now we have more jobs, more people working right now in the United States by far than we ever had before. And outside of the war, and I assumed the economy was going to go down, the stock market would go down 20-25%. It's actually up. The stock market is higher now than it was before I started the Iran situation. And on the Iran, I had no choice because they were going to have a nuclear weapon. We're not going to give them a nuclear weapon. But that's going to end soon, one way or the other. Oil is going to come tumbling down. There's so much oil. We have 1,600 ships in the Strait that are loaded up with oil that are going to be coming out very soon. So we'll have to see. But the military has been unbelievable. The blockade has been infallible. Not one ship has gotten through the blockade. 37 have tried. They all wish they didn't.
Can you tell us about your call with Erdogan?
Yeah, I had a very good call with President Erdogan, and pretty standard. We have a very good relationship.
Pretty standard.
Isn't it nice to have relationships with some very tough people? He's a tough guy, and but I have a relationship with him that nobody else does. He's actually done a good job.
Nobody does it.
You know, I think very much of an ally. Some people would doubt that, but I think he's been a great ally, and his people respect him. His people respect him a lot.
Mr. President, response to people that are critical of your settlement over your IRS case about the tax now that you can't be prosecuted for tax?
Yeah, well, what happened is I was suing IRS for a lot of different reasons. One of the reasons is they released my tax returns, which you're not allowed to do. Now, they showed I pay a lot of tax. I may even release my current returns because they show I pay a lot of money. But they're not supposed to do that. They were in lockboxes as president. And they released them. And a certain firm released them, which was, I guess, a private firm. But it released them to a lot of the fake news. And the fake news went, and you're just not allowed to do that. And many other things happened. So I released them from the lawsuit, and I guess they made a settlement of some kind. I wasn't involved in the settlement. I could have been involved, but I didn't choose to be. So they made a settlement. Also, the anti-weaponization of people. I mean, people were destroyed. They went to jail. Their families were ruined. They committed suicide. You know, all the Biden administration and the Obama administration, both of them. I mean, the Obama administration started it. The Biden administration was horrible in terms of what they've done to people is incredible. And we're reimbursing those people for their legal fees and for their costs and for anybody involved. But they destroyed people. People committing I read the other day, a person committed suicide over it. They went, you know, it was the most violent thing I've ever seen in politics, what they did. And yet if I say, oh, let's look at this one or that one, they say weaponization.
No, that thing too.
What they did in terms of weaponization will never be allowed to happen in
Wasn't on the
this
time
country
it sells,
again.
though.
So we think that those people, we think that
Can't be
anybody
on NQ.
involved in that process should partake. And you're talking about peanuts compared to the value. It destroyed the lives of many, many
Unless
people.
like
Thank you
somebody's
very
just
much.
buying tranches of 5 within a
All right,
10
there you
second
have it.
period.
President Trump taking questions from reporters there as he.
And that's it. I'm half tempted to short with you guys back down to 260s, 230s. Thank you. But it needs to roll over and break over. But it's rejected this enough times. It's gonna run out of juice. This 15-minute looks like it wants to come back down. $262. I need it to like roll over lower than this though, because it's still holding trend structure still. But I agree with Cinny. Like it's still, and I love that Cinny can give an unbiased opinion because his overall view is downside, but there's still a decent amount of absorption here. NVIDIA is rugging right now, pretty hard. It's into the morning consolidation, so maybe it holds here, but the other thing I noticed on internals, yeah, a little bit of selling coming in on the NASDAQ side of things. Yeah, NVIDIA is dropping hard. If you can get through this 286, maybe you actually have a chance to drop 20, 30, 40 points, maybe more. I don't want to front run the break though. If you got in up there at the highs when ES hit the level, you probably still have another 10 points of room. But it's getting awfully slow. And then if you look around the other Mag 7s, Google's working its way the opposite direction of what it's been doing all day. Apple's new high of day, not quite new high of day, but almost there. Microsoft's still fine. Amazon's still fine. Meta's still strong. Broadcom is just on a ledge. Tesla's still pushing up. Still plenty of buying going on. Apple looks fine. So not only do you have, what is this? So not only do you have really good chart structure overall in Apple, big move up, consolidation down, 200-day, big bounce, and then in the short term, it's doing, staircasing, multi-day consolidation, push up. It's probably going to run up into their event, WWDC in June. It's what, like 3-4 weeks away?
By 25.
By 25. Oh, I do see a couple more people signing up for the Wolf Summit NYC. Shout out to that. Wolf Summit, summit.wolf.financial. Most of you probably have already heard about it at this point, but August 3rd, New York City. Several of you the other day were telling me that you were still working on planning things out, checking your schedules, all that good stuff. Still plenty of time. I think we've sold about 1/3 of the tickets so far. Maybe a little bit more, actually. And we're trying to push it to all the Wolf members first before we start going into all the other community. It's gone to some of the communities. It hasn't gone to like some of the other guest speakers to other people yet. Oh, entropy. Have a nice little vacation, entropy. Mr. Explorer, go explore somewhere for 24 hours, sir. Got him. Oh, Frank, you gonna pull the trigger? Boris, he's gonna need more than that to buy a restaurant. Can't even buy a studio apartment for that. California. Bran, I like your approach. Slow day. Do you guys ever just go to the timeline and just see what people are doing? Gold's still looking strong. All right, well, MJR. I don't know what the I don't know what this means, but what does this mean? I mean, the math is correct, so I mean, I'll give you that. The math is mathing.
The maths. Ain't no girl math.
It sounds like a comment. A communist statement. This is an interesting question because everybody does things differently for Confluence and looking at different things. Rooster here. It's still holding this.
$5.54. $5.26.
Ooh.
Mr. Hawkins, come on out. Come on out.
They're gonna push us up to the top.
Let's go up. Come on. Just do it.
If you just get stuffed like right there again.
Brutal.
I don't know. Oscar.
Brutal.
Oscar finally took out these equal highs from the last 2 years. Ran into some old resistance over here. Let's go to the weekly. Yeah, it hit this resistance right here. Basically, resistance right overhead up there, but I mean, this looks pretty good. This is, your typical consolidation. Looks like it's going to break the range down and then flies back, but a lot of green weeks in a row. Probably needs to cool off. See if it can come back down here and hold maybe 22, 21. Yeah, you probably want to hold 21. Well, there's sellers at the top. There's buyers at the bottom. Choose your fighter. Or just sit and watch. Just hang out in the arcade. Jordy, did you see what Taj tagged you in the Slack?
No.
You got a couple things in Slack I think you need to respond to, but
You're slacking on Slack.
yeah, you slacking on the Slack.
Dude, Slack is fucking a headache.
Slack is whack.
What Taj tagged you on, I like though. It's pretty clever.
Do you see that? That is good.
Might be a little snooze hour here.
Choo choo. These damn 320s.
I mean, God, we've literally done nothing. YM made a new high. I mean, just looking at the chart, it looks like it wants to go a little bit higher, but knowing what I know, I don't have expectations really either direction. A lot of buying in the queues right now. New high of day on the internals. Google got smacked at yesterday's close. Apple made a new high, just got smacked a little bit. Meta's getting smacked out of nowhere. All your Max 7s are getting bad candles all of a sudden, except for AMD. There's a lot of morning stars on the charts if we close up here. If anything, it's probably just going to wick highs and come right back here, right? Pretty clear trend structure here, though. Yes, NVIDIA earnings is expected around 20 minutes after the close.
540.
This Rivian actually doesn't look bad. Netflix just said they're planning to release some movies on IMAX before they release on their platform. Some kind of partnership or something. Oh, are they gonna push it?
Finally. Bingo.
Whoop.
Oh, finally. Cheese and rice. Oh, I'm gonna go jump in.
Come on, let's go, boys. Let's take it to the promised land.
Think it's gonna break out?
I don't know. I'm long. 31. I'm long 6 contracts. I'm long nothing. Flyer.
I'll be right back.
I wasn't
Might be
gonna tell
closer to. Might be closer to the close. We'll see. If it does, maybe it'll drop you low. Who knows? Pretty uneventful, which I figured it would be in the afternoon.
Yeah.
I was hoping we'd fade a little and then rally into the close, but not so much.
I'm thinking the opposite. I'm thinking they push it up here one more shot at the high and then just tank it.
Drop it. Drop it. I'm the zeros up. Let's see what the zeros look like.
Still kind of early.
Yeah, very early. Get them ready though. I got to put them on 3 minutes. Start looking at the strikes. Speaks. Zeros.
No promo code for Top Step. Unfortunately, they don't do that.
You say hi to Uncle Jordan?
Hi, baby. You just wake up from a nap? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
Yeah, bravo. Bravo.
Oh, she's adorable. The best quant. Yes, this is the best quant right here. She's so good. She really doesn't like freak out or anything. She just chills.
Just trying to grab everything. Bravo. Can you say hi? Hola.
Hi.
Hola, Uncle Jordan. Hola.
Hi. Yeah.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Creatine. Now we're working on our golf swing.
There you go. What a good baby. Oh, nice.
What?
I said, what a good baby.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Are they gonna go fill in this upper wick? Is that what they're trying to do right now? Or is this just a short right back down? What's up, Joe? This 15-minute looks kind of strong. Yes, right at the spot again. Right at the IB extension for the day on both. Uh-oh. Didn't like something. Go getting a pop. Apple still nothing. Microsoft strong, little pop. Amazon rug. It's just taking turns. Broadcom finally pushing up. Not AMD new high of day. It's probably a sell right here again.
I sold it. It didn't go down yet, man.
Uh, 11:15. So first we had Pakistan say that there was a final draft, and then second, Trump made a comment about the final report or something. That was the second big pop. So it was Iran headlines first, Pakistan saying something, and then Trump kind of confirming it.
Seeing some stuff about a OpenAI IPO. If you get two of them at once, the market will dunk.
ORBS is the ticker that they were pumping on that.
White House brief orthogonal firms on voluntary pre-lease model.
Boom, boom, boom. Board. I mean, just to get both sides, yes should reject here. If it doesn't, it's got room that fill in that wick and really push. I don't know what pushes us here into the close, but banks are at highs. I think I would rather just err downside. Back to like 260s. 320 maybe. Maybe just pin it. I don't know. They want me to push buttons. I don't want to push buttons. top of the range for the day. It's been in the range for hours. It's trending upward into that. What do you do, Frank?
I'm short him.
Okay.
I am short.
It wasn't the answer I was looking for, but
I'm short at 45. I'm short 22 contracts. I covered already some. I stopped at breaking even. I'm just playing the game here. I don't mind getting stopped out. This is 4 bids below decent rates on something.
well, it's just right off the. I mean, you're right on the 9 again.
Get down.
No, I cleared my entire chart, cleared all my orders. I'm just gonna wait.
I don't. We're gonna wait for. Why would the SPX move on the close much when the earnings are out for NVIDIA at 4 o'clock? You know what I mean? So
20 minutes after, yeah.
20 minutes after, like I think that we're pretty much. I don't know if you get people playing zeros. I don't think I'm playing.
Yep.
Flat.
You're still pushing. I mean, like, I can make both arguments so equally right now. I'm not doing anything. Just chart watching at this point. There's nothing to do.
I'm looking at NVIDIA daily. Rip up 216, pull back to 200, Then at 232, pull back to 217. What's that third push would be 250, 248. Would be higher.
I just think it needs China revenue to make that move.
Yeah. Initially higher than a fake tomorrow, maybe.
I mean, if things go good, I think it just trends right back up to new highs.
Yeah.
Daily looks like a complete reversal. And look, we've been trending all day, so here we are, high of day. ES broke over. NQ did not. Every one of these candles has been a doji back and forth, so just wants to sit and hang out here. All right, Garrett. Took care of business. I like it. I respect it. Like just sell one just so I can fill something. Yeah, NVIDIA is popping right back up towards VWAP. Microsoft's at highs. Google's pushing. IWM is about to make a new high of day. CrowdStrike new high of day. If I was going to do it, it'd be right here at this 354 again. But it's a lot different trade now than it was when I sold it there this morning. So, no thanks. There, it popped through. Does it go right back under? ES 54, big level. NQ, basically same thing right here. I keep it simple this afternoon. Just all your basic trend indicators. I see them recycling the same headline from earlier. Trump told Netanyahu that the mediators are working on a letter of intent that both the U.S. and Iran would sign to formally end the war and launch a 30-day period of negotiations on issues like Iran's nuclear program and opening of the Strait of Hormuz. Well, it's just literally a connection of to the headlines that we already heard today. We know that Trump talked to Netanyahu today, and we know that there was this is just a little bit more detail of the headline that already came out. I don't know. I'm not fighting it though. That's the good news, Frank.
No. No fighting anything.
I mean, oil's not moving. Silver's not moving. Gold slightly higher high. Google is pushing. Microsoft's about to make a new high. I mean, there's enough names here that try to like maybe get an extra 30 points here into the close on MOC. Banks are strong. Goldman Sachs. Wow. Some of these other names, like Cisco's not doing too well. Oh, there goes CRM. Oh, BM&R's under 20 bucks. What a choke. UAL's up 10%. IGV, new high of day. Last 15 minutes. They closed the candle. They closed this under. They closed it under. Wasn't the VIX expiration like yesterday? Or like end of day Monday? Was it yesterday AM or today AM? I think it was. I can't remember if it was yesterday. If it was like, yesterday was the expiration, which means Monday was the last day of trading, or if yesterday was the last day of trading. But I feel like if VS clears right here, though, it just runs 20 points. Probably not take earnings to do it, but if you need levels for NQ for later, you should have all the downside levels. But to the upside, this 385 area is still a level. Value area high is like 430, depending how far back you go. But definitely this 386, 430, 470, 540. I mean, really, if we clear 400, I think we're going to 540. I mean, the downtrend's been broken. Daily looks like a reversal. I mean, look, it was straight up reversal. But it all comes down to market's reaction to NVIDIA. Oh. Intel is a buy side, Poet's a buy side, but no other big names at all. No Mag 7s, mega cap names. Google slight sell side, but it's not large. AMD sell side, Apple small buy. No NVIDIA at all. 400 million sell side is overall. The QQQ is probably just going to come right back down here, isn't it? All right. What do you think about singles? Single stock futures, I think, will be interesting. The I don't know, because like there's like a race for single stock futures and for like tokenized. Hold on. Sorry, Evan's texting me. He has a connection issue.
All right. Sorry about that, everybody. You're back, and I got the A team to come in and host this. So Ryan is now behind the stock and basically have a crash.
All right. Yeah, I can't stay live all the way through the NVIDIA earnings because I have to go to Stocks on Spaces and just do it over there. It's just hard to do it two places at once. And what are we going to do for 20 minutes? So we'll hold it through the bell like we always do. And then Stocks on Spaces over on X. Oh, well, didn't go anywhere. Dang, I probably could have shorted the 380 up there. What was the MOC? I think it was like 300 something on S&P, 400 something sell side on NASDAQ. There was no big names on there at all, so. EMPH. What about EMPH? Do they have earnings or something?
Hello, Frank Delaney.
Oh, Frankie. Mute that one. All right, well, we're right at high of day with 1:40 left in the final period. Oh, sorry, I've got like 10 people messaging me different stuff. EMPH looking pretty solid, honestly. Pretty solid. What's Tesla doing? Ooh, Ripper Tesla into the close. There we go. It's a pretty good close overall. I'm pretty bullish on this. As a whole, we'll see what NVIDIA says. That could change a lot of things. 15 seconds to that final bell. We just filled in that wick on NQ. Yeah, Tesla popping. The music is just Restream has AI generated music. There it is, guys. All right, guys. Sorry, that was an earnings just came out for Intuit, so had to call that out on Stocks and Spaces. I'm headed over there, guys. Appreciate everyone. Hate that I got to run this quick, but I do be live again tomorrow, first thing in the morning. We'll see how the market reacts to NVIDIA earnings. We'll go from there. Hope you guys had a great day. Appreciate everyone hanging out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And shout out to our sponsor, Leverage Shares, NVDG. Keep your eye on that.